no, short sellers. This is an insane move on Bitcoin Cash. This is insane. This thing just will not stop. Won't stop, can't stop. Bitcoin Cash, baby. You have broken out of a 8 to 9 year downtrend, guys, on Bitcoin Cash. And we were talking about this back here in, when was that? Beginning of July. We posted saying that this is one of the nastiest chart setups of crypto. And if you get above that $700 threshold, guys, oh my goodness, this thing's going to go crazy. Like, you're literally just going to God candle this thing all the way up to 1700 to that neckline resistance. And if you climb that neckline resistance, guys, woo, oh my goodness. Let's see. So from the breakout, that is already a 200% move. If you climb the neckline, you then have resistance at 3,000, which is a 425% move, and then the all-time high, a 600% move. Now, definitely be careful, right? Because the RSI is cooked on the weekly. You're absolutely cooked, going from what was this, 250 up to 600 already. That is near a 3x since April. Absurd. One of the biggest gainers in crypto over that time. And this is no playing around. This is a large cap crypto, which is very, very interesting to see what is happening behind the scenes here on Bitcoin Cash. I mean, what is that move? Whoops. Not Polyline. I want a Ray. Already, that is a 150% move. That seems low, but we'll go with it. 150% move. And this is a strong, strong candle. Now, if we pull up the Bollinger Bands, you are trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and you're cooked on the RSI. So maybe you see this make one move higher to make a higher high here. Maybe 700, and then you come back to test this trend right here at $500. But if you bounce, guys, you could see something like this. I mean, no joke. No freaking, no smoke, no joke. Polyline, make some kind of impulse move, retest, and then honestly up to 3,000. That would be absurd. It would be so silly. But you could see something like that on Bitcoin Cash, because when this thing moves, it moons. It rockets. You can see back here, you retested the golden cross you had in 2017. And just for perspective, I mean, no small move, guys. You went up 1,252%. That's absurd. That's obscene. And now you're poised to potentially have something similar here. Because what's that move? From the retest, it's a 500% move. So if this thing goes to retest this 8-year trend, I am going to be pounding. I'm going to be screaming at you guys. Not financial advice, but I would take that trade. You take that trade? I'll take that trade. I will take that trade every single day in a classic George W. or a classic Adam and Eve pattern that would take you higher than this neckline. Because if you break this neckline, guys, past 3,000, if you pass 3,000, you're going to 4,000. If you pass 4,000, you're in price discovery range, guys. So Bitcoin Cash is uniquely set up. And honestly, if Bitcoin Cash is set up like this, what the heck is Bitcoin about to do? What is Bitcoin about to do? Honestly, I mean, I know we have a price target of 133. With the top of this falling or rising wedge at $220 to $250,000, depending on where it gets to reach the top of this formation. And it's exciting stuff, guys. It's exciting stuff. If you look at Ethereum here, Ethereum just had one of the nastiest monthly candles it's ever freaking had. If you look at this, this is just an absolute FU candle. This is stupid. It's so stupid. 53.8% on Ethereum in 1 month, and you're still not done. You haven't closed this candle. This is one of the most bullish candles I've ever seen in my lifetime. I mean, just 53% closing at the top. And if you break freaking through this, I don't know what you're gonna do. It's just you're on track to do one of these high close runs. And that, I mean, this move, just comparison, that's what this candle looks like. It's an 1,000% on Ethereum. I mean, 1,000% on Ethereum right now, which would be hard because the market cap is much bigger now. But 1,000% gainer on Ethereum would theoretically be $26,000. Do I think you're going to do that? Maybe not. Could you do $6,000 to $10,000? You could. You realistically could with a lot of this legislation, the government talking about releasing more details on the crypto stockpile, which is very interesting because within that crypto stockpile that the U.S. plans on buying and holding, you have XRP, Cardano. Cardano is one we're very, very big on. Ethereum, Bitcoin, and I think Solana. I believe Solana was in that list. Those two, XRP and Cardano, are utility coins that I anticipate to find extreme price discovery. But Ethereum as well. Once you break 4,800, guys, which you're only $1,000 away from, to put in perspective, just this last quarter, you've reclaimed 2,500. So you are less than what's already happened away from creating an all-time high on Ethereum and your altcoins going to the moon, your utility coins going to the moon, and Ethereum going to the freaking moon. And I can't pound the table hard enough because you're also getting a monthly cross on the MACD, which last time you got was back here. I've only gotten it like a handful of times on Ethereum. You were back here and you ran 150% up $2,400. And then the last one before that was quite some time ago, guys. Holy crud. Back here. And you made a 2,138%, up $4,600. The monthly MACD is, just looking at this chart, you have the fake out breakdown. You swoop back to the top of this pennant. You're in a falling broadening wedge. And let's go to linear so we can give an honest price target here. So just alone, the price target from this falling broadening wedge. Get out of here, smaller trend line. Just alone. If you broke out now, you'd be going to a $6,500 Ethereum, guys. And we're not done there. We're not done there because this is going to take you crazily high. Stupid high. If you want to take the price target from the pennant that you've been in. $7,000 Ethereum. How's that sound? That is insane. So if all these things come to fruition, I mean, rate cuts, U.S. legislation, a breakout, a strong breakout, monthly MACD cross, Bitcoincash doing its own thing, U.S. crypto stockpile, Bitcoin at $200,000. I mean, this is a once in a generation opportunity. It's absurd. See if we can get some confluence here. I've not yet looked at this. 8,000? $8,000. How's it look on a logarithmic? That puts you at 20. Yeah, I'll go with linear. Unless you guys want moon targets. That's fine by me. Hey, I got nothing wrong with moon targets. It's an active part of my portfolio is moon targets. Yeah, $8,000 Ethereum. What do you think, guys? Possible? Not possible? I think it's possible. I don't think it's probable. $8,300. I think it's likely to get stopped and short right below at 7,000. This will probably fizzle out and then all the way down. Probably retest at 3. Bear market, and then back up 4 more, guys. I anticipate Ethereum at $10,000 before 2028. Should we do one more? We'll do one more. We'll do Dogecoin because that is my schnizzle. Dogecoin is looking absolutely nasty. You are primed to get a monthly cross on the MACD, same as Ethereum. On the weekly, you've already gotten it. So this is where it really starts to paint the picture of a double bottom on the macro, and you want to see a close and hold above this 26-cent range. That is what has acted as support, 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 break below, resistance, 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 resistance. So you need to close above 26 cents. That is the bottom line on Doge. And it comes with good news. Because in the daily, you are quite literally days away. You're days away from a daily golden cross on Doge. And the last time you got a daily golden cross on Doge, guys, oh man. Last time you got a daily golden cross on Doge, guys, this is the first time I'm looking at this, actually. That was before November. Before November, guys. You didn't test it. You're in a very similar situation, making higher lows and higher highs. You came close to testing it, but you didn't. You went up 300%, though. 300%. So where are we from 300% from now? Oh, buddy. 300% from right now takes you right around 95 to 97 cents. And I think that is a very real target for Doge here. Oh, man. That's exciting. I don't like that daily cross down, but maybe it's a bear trap and you cross significantly to the upside here and you fake out these shorts. Very possible. You want to see this hold. And if you do come down to test, you want to see a close above it. But that's what I got on crypto, guys. Thank you for tuning in to Trap Trades. We're at 45 subscribers. Please make sure to smash, dropkick, tear that like and subscribe button up, guys. We're going to continue to post crypto and low cap, high risk stocks daily. And if there's anything else you guys want me to comment on, do TA on, this is the bull market to do it. So please drop that below. I will take that feedback and we'll run with it. Once again, guys, get outside, touch grass. God bless and peace. Have a good day, guys.